The heart is a muscular organ sitting in your chest, behind the sternum and between your lungs. It acts as a pump to circulate blood throughout your body. This circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. So, the heart keeps life going by making sure blood flows continuously. This blood brings oxygen and nutrients to all your body tissues. Without a working heart, your body can't survive. So, where is the heart located? It sits inside the thoracic cavity, slightly tilted to the left, and is protected by the rib cage. The heart connects to the lungs through the pulmonary arteries and veins, and to the rest of the body via the aorta and vena cava. The heart has 4 chambers. 2 upper atria that receive blood and 2 lower ventricles that pump blood out. It's surrounded by a protective layer called the pericardium, and it contains valves to stop blood from flowing backward. So, the right atrium gets deoxygenated blood from the body. Then, the right ventricle pumps that blood to the lungs. Meanwhile, the left atrium takes in oxygenated blood from the lungs. Finally, the left ventricle sends it out to the rest of the body. So, the heart valves make sure blood flows in just one direction. The atrioventricular valves, like the tricuspid and mitral valves, separate the upper chambers from the lower chambers. Then, the semilunar valves, including the pulmonary and aortic valves, stop blood from flowing back into the ventricles once it leaves the heart. The heart connects to the body through the aorta, which sends oxygen-rich blood out. It also gets deoxygenated blood back through the vena cava. Pulmonary veins bring oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the heart, while pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Okay, so deoxygenated blood comes from the body and enters the right atrium first. Then it moves to the right ventricle. From there, it goes to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. Meanwhile, oxygenated blood returns from the lungs to the left atrium. After that, it flows into the left ventricle and gets pumped out through the aorta to the rest of the body. The heart supports 2 separate circulation paths. One path sends blood to the lungs for oxygen. The other path delivers oxygen-rich blood to the body. This separation makes oxygen delivery and waste removal efficient. Okay, let's look at this heart diagram together. First, you'll see the 4 chambers. The top 2 are the atria, which receive blood from the body, and the bottom 2 are the ventricles, which pump blood out. Now, the valves are right between them. These keep the blood flowing in the right direction without backflow. Finally, the major blood vessels are labeled. The aorta on the left side for oxygenated blood, and the vena cava on the right for deoxygenated blood returning to the heart. So, the heart rate is measured in beats per minute. It changes with physical activity and health. For adults, a normal resting heart rate stays between 60 and 100 beats per minute. This range ensures efficient oxygen delivery without overexertion. So, heart disorders are conditions where the heart doesn't work as it should. For example, arrhythmia means the heartbeat is irregular. Heart failure happens when the heart can't pump blood effectively. And coronary artery disease involves blockages in the blood vessels. These problems can come from lifestyle choices, genetic factors, or medical conditions. So, to keep your heart strong and working well, you need to focus on these habits. Moving regularly, eating the right foods, not smoking, handling stress properly, and getting regular health checks. These actions help prevent heart problems by keeping your heart efficient and healthy.